How to let friends join your Minecraft server. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to let friends join a Minecraft server. If you haven't already, create a free Microsoft account. Xbox users will have an account automatically. Your Microsoft account is required for crossplay. If you are on a console, you will also need an online subscription like Xbox Live or Nintendo Switch Online. After you've created your Microsoft account, launch Minecraft and click Sign in with a Microsoft account. Follow the instructions to sign in and link your Microsoft account to the game. Choose an existing world or create a new one and launch your game. Once you've loaded into the world, open the in-game settings menu. Navigate to the far right and select Invite to Game. On the next screen, select the option to find cross-platform friends. Find your friend using their Minecraft ID or gamer tag, then select Add Friend. You can also use the screen to block or report them if you've had a bad experience. You can also use the Xbox One app to add friends regardless of platform. If typing complex gamer tags on your console controller isn't ideal. Once you've found the right person, select Add Friend. Check the box to select the friend and click Send One Invite. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.